paper. All me dog them buckle up in the game. I like the era, every rifle off lift.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
What's good, peeps? How you guys and the weather? From your device, you know, it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment with the next review, you know. I mean, I say, yeah, me like when the young artists them showcase them talent, man. Me like when the young artists them do the work, put in the work, and push it out there for people them hear it. I mean, I say, yo, the artists when me I go review forward from Sevenz side, you know, you see me, down a Windsor Park, down a Bay side, down there, you see me. I mean, like when artists put him thing together and make it work. I mean, I say artist goes by the name.
Them this you ratchet up the mat if you pull off them face like the gun, like the chamber.
Sevenz God, you see me, and in Japan song title, Full of Power. You see me? I mean, I say, yeah, man, I wait if you go Twitter now, because every youth talk about chopping Guzu and who have the fattest card and who are chopping more skull. You see me? And them the thing they work right now in the music industry, you know, man. So, you have to just put your lyrics them together and push it out for the viewers and the subscribers them. Follow up the thing, you see me? And me I say, the artist, I go on do him thing, him I go on. So you can go over in Vivo at Sevenz God. Vivo, you see me? Go and go listen out him song them. You know him young in a dancehall scene, see me, but I want to hear in day night I go and do him thing good in day night longer, but I want to hear now him start post on him Vivo. So I want to know guys to go over there and give him the support. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? And we like so when the young youths them do the right thing and they not take up a badness and go rob people place and thing. Cybercrime or music I best thing for youths them nowadays, cause yeah man, slavery time done, you know, man. I will see say corona thing and this COVID and the vaccine business. Slavery thing them are bringing back, so I use them now work with that, you know, so I use them rather put in the work on the phone, brother. We attack it as though it is. You see me? We not hide and talk. You them a put in the work, voice them song and put it out there to make everybody know say yo, music we love, you know, we not love money, you know. So I sweat away bro, you know. So we have to push out the hard work for we see say yeah, it a work and it a work for Sevenz God. You see me? And you reach out to me and make me know say yo, drop a song a day ago. So must view it and things. So I'm just around and make a review and make the artist know say yeah man, if you continue to do the right thing, cause we out here, you see me, I will believe in a young talent. So please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Up.